What's up, beautiful people? Here we go again. So it's been raining since morning and the weather is very cold. So maybe if you hear maybe some noise at the background, it's the rain. It's been raining, and guy, whole place is cold, man. Whole place is cold. It's freaking cold, freaking cold. Alright, let's jump into the video. In this video, I'm talking about a tool I normally use when I'm analyzing my market or my trades, or when I'm doing technical analysis. Okay, and the name of this tool is called Trendline. As you can see, I've written it over here how to use the Trendline tool. Okay, this is the Trendline tool. Let me pick it and draw it for you. This is the Trendline tool. It's just like a straight line. Okay, how to use this particular tool. All right, so we normally use this tool to mark out trends. Okay, I've taught you the three types of trends, which is the uptrend, the downtrend, the consolidation trend, or the sideways trend, or the ranging trend. All right, okay, so how do I use a trend line tool to mark out my trend? So first of all, let's pick a trend over here. There's an uptrend. There's an uptrend. Making this video very simple and snappy because it's raining. Alright, so this is an uptrend. Characteristics of the uptrend: higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. Understand? So I pick my trend line tool over here. I mark out the bottom of the trend. Okay, I mark out the bottom of the trend. Now most traders force the trend line to touch each bottom. You don't do that. If you do that, or if you do something like this, you are cutting the bodies of the trend. Okay, your trend line is cutting through the bodies of the trend. Okay, you don't do that. You just mark the bottom wherever the trend line touches. Yeah, you just mark the bottom. Okay, you just mark the bottom. Don't force your trend line to touch by force touching the tip or the bottom of your trend. Okay, don't do that. Okay, if you do that, you'll be analyzing wrongly. Excuse me, sorry. If you do that, you'll be analyzing wrongly. Okay, you can also use the trend line to pick the tip of the top of the trend. So let me clone the trend line. You just right click, go to clone, then you just pick the bottom, the tops of the trend. Okay, you see I'm not forcing the trend line to touch each tip of the trend. Okay, I'm not forcing the trend line to do that. Okay, so any part that touches, I'm okay. You understand? So in this case, you are giving the trend a room to operate, a room to move. Okay, so this is how you mark out your trend. The key takeaway is make sure you are not cutting through the bodies of the trend. Don't cut through the bodies, whether you're marking the top or you're marking the down. Don't cut through the bodies of the trend, right? Don't cut through the bodies of the trend. Do you get it? Alright, so in a downtrend, to the same thing. Let's do for a downtrend. Very quick. Let's do for a downtrend. So a downtrend, we have lower high, lower low situations. Lower high, lower low. Okay, lower high, lower low. Lower high, lower low. Lower high, lower low. Low. Right, so let's pick our trend line and let's just mark the trend out. Okay, don't cut through the bodies. Don't cut through the bodies of the trend. Very simple as that. If you also want to mark the top, you just right click on the trend line, then you go to clone, and you clone the trend line. You mark what? The top. Okay, let me adjust this one a little bit. Okay, very simple. Okay, very simple. Okay, very simple. This is how you use your trend line to mark out your trend. It's very simple and easy. The key takeaway is do not cut through the bodies. Don't do that. Don't cut through the bodies, else you'll be analyzing wrongly. So in my next two The tool I'm going to use for the next video is the rectangle tool. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how you're going to use the rectangle tool to also do your analysis. Easy and simple. Peace out.